national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Very good. Jana Gana Man is the national anthem of India. It was originally written in Bengali. It was first sung in the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress on December 27, 1911. It was officially adopted by the Constituent Assembly as the Indian National Anthem on January 24, 1950.
Team White. Name the nationalist who said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Very good. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian social reformer and a freedom activist. He coined the famous slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, which inspired lakhs to participate in the Indian freedom movement. He was one of the first and strongest advocates of Swaraj or self-rule, which became the guiding principle of the Indian freedom movement.
Team Green. Who is known as the father of the nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Very good. It is a little known fact that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was the first person to call Mahatma Gandhi as the father of the nation. Later, the Parliament of India officially recognized Gandhiji as the father of the nation.
Team Saffron. Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very good. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first and till date the longest serving Prime Minister of India. He was a leading figure in the Indian independence movement and served as the Prime Minister until his death in 1964. Popularly known as Chacha Nehru due to his love for children, he was also called Pandit Nehru because of his roots in the Kashmiri Pandit community.
Team White. Who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Very good. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a well-known Indian freedom fighter, actively participated in various freedom movements. His belief in the principle of unity in diversity and standing united for the common cause of India's independence made him the Iron Man of India. Due to his leadership qualities and ability to connect masses, he has been given the title of Sardar Patel, meaning Leader Patel.
Team Green. Who hoists the flag on Independence Day?
Prime Minister of India.
On August 15, 1947, the first Prime Minister of independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, unveiled India's national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. The practice continues till date as, along with the flag hoisting, the Prime Minister delivers a speech from the historic monument.
Team Saffron. What is the national song of India?
And answer is Vande Mataram.
Very good. The title Vande Mataram means I praise thee, mother, or I praise to thee, mother. The term Mataram in the first line means the motherland of India, or Bharat Mata. On 24 January 1950, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted Vande Mataram as national song.
Team White. Which article has recently been removed from our constitution?
Article 370.
Very good. Article 370 of the Indian Constitution gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir. It was revoked on August 5, 2019. Jammu and Kashmir is now carved into two union territories.
Team Green. Which state of India is called the land of rising sun?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Dong Valley in Arunachal Pradesh gets the first sun rays, which makes Arunachal Pradesh the land of rising sun in India. Arunachal Pradesh is also known as Land of the Dawnlit Mountains. in reference to its position as the easternmost state of India. It is located on the northeastern tip of India. It is also known as Paradise of the Botanists.
Team Saffron, which state of India is called the Land of Rivers?
Punjab.
Very good. Punjab is called the land of 5 rivers. The word Punjab is made from the combination of 2 Persian words. Panj, which means 5, and Ab means water, giving the actual meaning to the phrase land of 5 rivers.
Team White, which man is known as the Missile Man of India?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Fondly called India's missile man, Dr. Kalam was particularly close to young people and he loved to be among students. Dr. Kalam was a pioneer in developing the country's missile projects. In 1997, he received the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India.
Team Green, who designed our national flag?
Pingali Venkaya.
Pingali Venkaya, who was born in Andhra Pradesh and was an agriculturist and geologist, came up with the initial design for the tricolor national flag. The saffron represents courage and strength. The white stands for peace and truth, while the green symbolizes fertility of the land and growth.
Team Saffron, who wrote our national song?
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Very good. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was a Bengali writer, poet, and a journalist who composed a national song Vande Mataram during India's freedom struggle. The first 2 verses of the song were adopted as National Song of India in October 1937.
Team White, who was the first woman president of independent India?
Pratibha Patil.
Pratibha Patil, an Indian lawyer and politician, was the first woman to serve as President of India 2007 to 2012. Throughout her public life, she has worked actively for the welfare of women, children, and the underprivileged section of the society.
Team Green, who was the first woman Prime Minister of independent India?
Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India who served for 3 consecutive terms. Indira Gandhi was the only child of Jawaharlal Nehru. She was the second longest serving Indian Prime Minister and was a central figure of Indian National Congress.
Team Saffron, name the smallest state in India.
Ma'am, answer is Goa.
Goa is the smallest state in India, covering 3,702 square kilometers in the country. It occupies 0.11% of the total land of the country. The state of Goa is famous for its beaches and places of worship.
Team White, who gave the slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan?
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Hail the Soldier, Hail the Farmer was the slogan of the second Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri, in 1965 at a public gathering at Ramlila Maidan, Delhi. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan to enthuse the soldiers to defend India and simultaneously cheering farmers to do their best to increase the production of food grains to reduce dependence on the import.
Team Green, which state in India is known as the Spice Garden of India?
Kerala is one of the southernmost states of India. It is world famous for its spices. It has several spice gardens all through the state. Kerala is an important spice market in the country. Apart from being a commodity, The spice industry is also an important tourism element.
All of you were well prepared. Excellent. I want to thank